Hey folks, welcome to yet another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Vibe Essential. What is it? It's actually a USB light. Okay, it's a USB LED light. So let's check it out. So this is what it looks like, and it has just this little wire that connects to the USB adapter, and you can turn it on. It comes with a remote. That's what the remote looks like, and of course it's got all the features that you want to see. You can sit it horizontally, or you can also, just have it lean on something vertically. And this little cable here, or a little wire, goes all the way to the USB adapter. And like I said, that's the remote to turn it on. So that's the power on, and there you go. So that's the blue. It's set to blue. Unfortunately, you can't really see the light. Maybe what I need to do is I'm gonna turn these lights off so you have a better view of that. I want to review the remote. The remote, it comes with a watch battery. So that's the turn on light, turn off, brighten, dim, and of course the red, green, blue is an RGB LED light. And that's the white light. And of course you have a flash, strobe, fade, and smooth feature here at the bottom. Okay, and these are different colors. You can have a bright green, an orange, starts off with ink blue, and then different colors. That's the sky blue, and you know the drill by now. You know what it all means. So let's check out the effect when I turn the light off. Okay, I'm gonna cycle through these effects for this light. So I'm gonna cycle through red. So that's what the red looks like. Of course, it doesn't really come across too well on the camera. It kind of looks like white, but actually it does portray. You can get the actual color from this carpet area. Okay, that's what the colors would be. That's green, blue. That's a different shade of kind of like turquoise. That is orange, and of course that's yellow. That's a darker or lighter turquoise. That's a purple. That is coming across to me as an indigo. That is of course another shade of turquoise, and that is a yellow-orange look to it. Again, that's blue, and of course it's indigo kind of a shade. I'm trying to get the actual light. Maybe now you'll be able to see it. As you can see, maybe I just needed to go a little closer, but that's the actual colors that we're focusing on the carpet. So that's what it looks like, just cycling through the colors. That's the green, that's turquoise, orange, green again, kind of like turquoise. Yeah, just different shades. And that's a darker indigo. That's a blue, and that's a darker shade of blue. That's supposed to be a white light, like a fluorescent light. And that's the actual red. And this is a cycle through, so it's going to cycle different colors. And I think that focusing it a lot closer does a lot more. Well, it does justice to this device. Okay, it's literally pushing out the right colors right now. So that's the green, as you can see. So just cycling through, and this is a fade in, fade out. So it's fading into a different color. It's going to fade out to a different color as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a kind of a flash, and it switches off to a different color down. That's turquoise, and it's going to go into a indigo, and like so. So it's a pretty decent light. You can really honestly cannot use it for reading. Okay, it's more like a decorative light. It's kind of like something you would put in the corner of your room just for a nice LED effect. It's more like these RGB strip lights, but hey, this is just one light. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. And if you enjoyed watching this review, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe and like this video as well. Until next time, you take care, enjoy the colors, and speak to you in my next video. Bye for now.